In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a tick symbol in Google Docs. When it comes to adding symbols, especially those like a tick, Google Docs provides a range of options to choose from. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and allows for a bit of customization along the way. To get started, you'll want to open your document in Google Docs. Once your document is ready, look towards the top menu bar where you'll find an option labeled Insert. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find an option called Symbols, and then click on Special Characters. Give that a click, and you'll be on your way to adding ticks to your document. When you select Special Characters, a new dashboard will appear right in front of you. Initially, it might seem a little overwhelming, but don't worry, it's more user-friendly than it appears at first glance. On this dashboard, you'll notice a search bar labeled Search by Keyword. This tool is incredibly handy, making it easy to pinpoint exactly what you need without having to sift through countless symbols. In that search bar, type the word check. As you do so, watch as a variety of tick symbols appear before your eyes. Google Docs offers these in different styles, so you can select the one that best suits your document's needs. Once you find the tick mark that fits your style, simply click on it, and it will instantly be inserted into your document right where your cursor is. It's really that simple, and it adds a professional touch to your work. Now that you have your tick symbol in the document, let's take a moment to explore some customization options. You can click on your tick symbol to select it and adjust its appearance. For instance, if the size isn't quite right, don't worry. You can easily increase or decrease the font size to better align with your document's overall look and feel. Additionally, you have aesthetic adjustments right at your fingertips. If you want the tick symbol to stand out more, consider bolding it or putting it in italics. There's also an option to change the color of the tick mark. Whether you're aiming for a pop of vibrant color or a more subtle shade that blends in with your text, you've got the power to make it happen. Just ensure the symbol complements the rest of your document. Finally, if you found this tutorial helpful and are keen to learn more about using Google Docs efficiently, do check out the video link on screen for additional tips and tricks. If this video helped resolve your queries, we'd love to hear from you. Please take a moment to like the video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.